Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 7.0 battery repair. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll. Power down your 7-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 tablet. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips, and then pop the Samsung tablet out of its rear enclosure. Release the ZIF connector and detach the battery cable. Remove the sticker. Locate the pull to remove adhesive tab on top of the 7-inch Tab 4 battery. Slowly pull the tab up and away from the tablet to free the 3.8 volt 4000 mAh Samsung battery. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.